guys? We are back here again today. Welcome back to the channel, Savage Panda Projects, the Habitat 4 horsepower. So I hope you guys enjoyed my last clip as far as the reactions for these aggressive crackles and pops on this Stage 2 Project A3. I'm gonna go ahead and take the time, provide you guys with some more exhaust clips so you can get an idea of what everything sounds like with the current setup, and then we'll go ahead and have a follow-up discussion from there. Let's check it out. Also, make sure, if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel so you can stay up to date with more projects, more content on the A3 build. Guys, so now you've had a chance to hear some more exhaust clips with this new aggressive crackle tune from APR. I can definitely say the crackles and pops are much more pronounced and aggressive than the previous version. I'm glad they decided to add this feature. Again, very much entertaining for everybody looking to have a good time with their new exhaust setup. I'm also glad too that this particular crackle mode is not going to be something that's active at all times. Again, for you guys that don't know, if you go ahead and put your car into sport mode, pop it over to manual, start downshifting, that's really when you're going to notice the crackles really come to life. As far as normal driving in a daily setting, unless you're in sport mode, you're not going to be hearing any obnoxious crackles. Even if you get it and you hate it, you don't have to run it. Got an A3 or S3, any MQB car, I don't think you'll be disappointed with Stage 2 pops and bangs. Well, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I really appreciate all the support. Make sure to like the video, leave a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you can stay up to date with everything going on with the car. I will see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.